It's Monday, March 6th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And a sense of anticipation begins the brand new week with most of the nation's economists expecting interest rates to hold steady. The Bank of Canada not expected to change its key lending rate from the current 4.5% on Wednesday, with inflation pressures finally easing. Analysts are hoping to get a read as well, though, as to whether borrowing costs will be staying put for the rest of the year. On the inflation front, some good news for anyone thinking about buying a Tesla. The electric vehicle giant announcing a second price cut in less than a year, with Model S and X's reduced from 5 to 9%. The more you listen, the more you know. Canada's Business Beat, your daily go-to for the business news impacting you, with listeners in over 20 countries on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. A rare positive in the struggling BC forest sector, with the 2-month curtailment for Talco Industry lumber mills in Armstrong in the North Okanagan and Soda Creek in the Caribou coming to an end. Around 350 workers looking forward to a paycheck once again. Damage control. After raising the ire of the feds, BC's Adastral Labs, which has approval to produce cocaine, has reversed its earlier statement regarding possible plans to commercialize the drug. Both Prime Minister Trudeau and BC Premier Eby were quick to note that Adastra has no permission whatsoever to sell cocaine on the open market. In case you missed it, Chevron fuel retailer Parkland has officially shelved a proposal for a standalone renewable diesel production facility at the company's refinery in Burnaby. Parkland just reporting a sharply higher fourth quarter profit of $69 million from $22 million a year back. And on the Business Beat radar for this week, besides Wednesday's Bank of Canada interest rate review, Ontario builder Bird Construction reports fourth quarter earnings on Tuesday. Calgary's Vermilion Energy will have its Q4 results Wednesday, and Vancouver-based Doman Building Materials will be posting its year-end numbers on Thursday. As well, StatsCan will be out with January trade data on Wednesday and February's jobs report on Friday. And that will do it for your Monday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.